Hey everybody, it's 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we're here at Lake Compounce, and we're on the Compounce Railroad. You can pick up the train right there by Main Street, which is the main entrance, and right in front of the Wildcat. And this is a trip that takes you all around the park. So let's sit back and enjoy it. And if anything catches my eye, we'll mention it. We are like right on the border of Crocodile Cove, which is their water park. So you got some water slides right here. But let's check it out. This is America's first amusement park. They love saying it, and let's see what makes this park so special. So right off the bat, you're actually going through a bridge that takes you over to the one water slide. And there's a view of the train right there. So we're off to a slow start right now. But this gives you great views of the water park. There's our back train, so we're going to check over this side here and show you out Crocodile Cove. One of the coolest slides I've ever seen is right in front of us there. That is a lighthouse where you have a body slide that shoots out and inside of it. Very cool concept. I've never seen anything like that, and always got a nice line for obvious reasons. Here you actually cut across the water park, so you actually have an area where everybody has to wave to you. Now what's really neat about this park is this is Lake Compounce, so there actually is named after a lake, and it is a legitimate lake. You can actually rent out party cabanas, and you've got ducks and all that. So this side over here you actually got cabanas, but over here you got nature. So as we come back to that, you actually got geese and all that. So here's all the cabanas right up against here, and they got some great landscaping. I love the lavender flowers. So as we come over here, so a little bit of a disappointment is how they have all the trees along the lake, so you can't see it as well, but back there is actually where you can actually see a show. And back there, across there, all that wooden track is Boulder Dash. Over here is the Venus flytrap shaped tunnel. Another really cool one here. We'll actually be able to check that out in a second. But as you come over here, great shot of the lake again. And as you come over this way, this is the Venus flytrap, and I love the way that it's designed. It's basically a big half pike, but it really flies out pretty well. But now we're at the end of the park here, so let's come over here and so it's usually pretty tranquil, but of course this is a busy day, so we actually got people on the train, and the reason why I'm talking is because the girls behind me don't know how to shut up. So 9,000 other seats behind me, but they chose right behind me. So, but a little disappointed here, but right there, that is their wave pool with a nice little waterfall and stuff. But they definitely block off so people can't run into the lake. But if you look, the lake is probably a foot right there. So you're running the lake pretty well. And one thing that always disappoints me is when you see the back side of things with the train. You figure they'd pretty it up a little bit, but all in all, this is very nice. And all the way back there, so there's Boulder Dash. But past Boulder Dash is actually a raft ride, and hopefully we can see that because it's kind of all by itself out there. I'll be curious to see how far back we go. It looks like we're already at the back end of the compound, so there is the park from there. But to say this park has a lot of land behind it is an understatement. Because they definitely have a lot of land behind it. And there's the big hill which calls Boulder Dash home. Over here's a nice little clearing where you can actually see stuff. But back there, you can actually see where the raft ride is. So all the way at the end of Boulder Dash. That gives you a good view of the park from here. So Lake Compounce is not a huge lake, but all in all, it is a kind of a pretty lake. So, and at least they utilize the lake. A lot of parks like Great Adventure don't actually really show you the lake. If you want to see where we're on the other side here, you're basically all the way at the end of the property. Alright, looks like we're getting ready to do the turnaround in a few minutes here. I have a feeling I'm going to do a nice walk out there to the raft ride just to see what it's up to. Because it definitely is. It kind of reminds me of the Bat over at Kings Island where it's all by itself. We're about halfway done with this trip, so let us know if you like more POVs, if you like our train POVs, or you want us to do a little bit more, maybe log flumes or even roller coasters. Let us know in the comment section. Once again, this is the Compounce Railroad over at Lake Compounce, Bristol, Connecticut. Alright, we're still going forward, so let's see how far we go. There's actually a dock back here at the back end of the lake. And the funny thing is there's actually popular music being played in this area. I don't know where it's coming from, but I'm actually hearing, I think, Chicago. So that's always interesting when you hear music. So here's the end of the lake, actually. It looks like there's picnic roads back here. So let's see where we're going. Over here, just some service roads and stuff. But yeah, here we are at the far end of the lake, and it looks like we're wrapping around. So I do like this, how we're coming back the other side. This is definitely one of the more scenic railroads that we've done. So here is the end of Lake Compounce. With some more docks. Now it's safe to assume there's probably campgrounds back here. We're coming around here, and here we go. There's a great view of Lake Compounce, the amusement park. Zooming in a little bit. So that's a very nice look. And here's some classic bars. But here we go. So it looks like back here is the turnaround. So we're coming back the same track. But yet again, we'll show you the view. It's actually a very scenic view. Looks like there's a train station back here, so I guess this is where you would actually go to do the campgrounds. It looks like we got some people ready to come in here, so when we come into the station, I'm going to pause it until we get going again. But that is half of the POV of Compounce Railroad. Now right up there, that is the raft ride, right there on the top of the hill. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.